guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ, and welcome to a new vlog, you guys. This vlog, I've already shot this vlog. I've already shot this vlog you're about to watch, but I'm just here to introduce the vlog because some of you might not really understand. You're like, what's going on? What's going on? So the thing is, I talked to you guys in some vlogs ago that I have a new camera, yeah. So I'm still trying to figure out the camera. So in this vlog you're about to watch, I shot this particular vlog, not this clip you're watching. The next clip you will see after this, my beautiful face, is the clips, or yeah, is the clips, the rest of the clips I shot it with the new camera. And I was so excited to shoot that video, but I flopped up. The settings, I didn't set it well. The camera settings, I didn't set it well. The camera lighting, I didn't use lights to shoot. It was just the bulb in my room that I shot this vlog, this clips you're going to be watching with. And the weather here is now weathering. Once it's 3 o'clock or so, it gets dark, so the video is not so clear. Why is it not clear? Because I didn't set the camera well. There was no external lighting and some other things, but that was just me trying to figure out the camera, yeah. But I've already ordered an external light from Temu. Yeah, I ordered external light. Once it arrives, I'll still show you guys, okay? So yeah, please do well. You guys, I know the quality you're going to be seeing is not my usual video quality, but please, if you love me, support me, watch this vlog to the end. It's an interesting vlog. I cooked Afang soup, I relaxed my hair. So many things went on in this vlog, and trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Overlook the quality and just watch. Once our lights comes, because like I said, I've already ordered lights from Temu. So once our lights comes, our vlogs will be little. The vlogs I'll be shooting with the camera will be top notch, okay? And yeah, so enjoy the rest of the vlog. Kiss, and don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like and subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed, okay? Let me know in the comment section, how do I look? This hair is still available. If you want to order, send me a DM on my Instagram. My Instagram is somewhere up here. Send me a DM that you like this hair, you want to order it, and yeah, I will get it delivered to your doorstep. All right, let's start the vlog. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. You guys, I'm shooting this vlog with our new camera. So this is a 4K Ultra HD camera that I'm shooting this vlog with. I have another camera coming in today. It's going to be delivered today. Yeah, so I want to loosen my hair. This cornrows, I've had it a couple of weeks. And I just got back from Matalan where I got these trousers for Daisy. This is for £5. So I got this for her. And I also got this for her. So I got these two trousers, leggings for Daisy. Let me now loosen my hair. And I'll also touch my hair. So this is my relaxer.
My dreams keep flying away. A song we're far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day.
Ooh, you guys, I just got a mail. Let's see. They said delivered. The package has been delivered to your neighbor. To my neighbor. Why did they deliver it to my neighbor? Why did they not call me? To my neighbor when I'm at home. Can you guys imagine this? And I didn't hear any knock on my door. All right, let's go, Gary. My hands are full. My hands are full. I don't know. I was expecting one package. Where is it to? Okay. This should be the camera. It's very heavy. And this should be a car phone charger from another brand. Yeah. Sorry, car phone holder from another brand. So this one is a car phone holder from a different brand. And this one is the camera, the latest camera, our latest camera. So this camera now is of way higher quality than this one I'm vlogging with. This one came with a lot of things, but talking too fast. When I bought this one, I'll show you guys. For now, let me just finish with my hair, and we'll talk about all this unboxing. So it's almost time to go pick her Daisy from school, so I want to quickly go pick her. Then when I come back, I will now put the relaxer on my hair.
There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when I go.
So, Mama, back from school.
Yeah, I even got a sticker.
You got a sticker?
Yes.
Don't look here, look here. This is, guys. See, so guys, they say, I don't know if you guys can see it. You did it. You did it. So yeah, you got an undress. I made some shawarma for you.
Yeah.
It's your shawarma. I was losing my hair.
Susie.
I want to put relaxer in my hair, babes. So I have to continue. I just had to stop to pick you up from school.
Ah,
Okay?
okay.
No, first, let me. After you go and take your trouser.
Let me
Take
just stick
it.
it down.
You take it, yeah, you try it later, okay?
Okay.
Oh, so guys, I'm back. Let me finish up with my hair.
Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Really afternoon, it's a.
So if I remember, the last time I relaxed this hair was sometime in June, if I'm correct. That was, my convocation was in June. No, my convocation was in July. So I relaxed my hair sometime in June. Yeah, sometime in June. So June, this is November, June, July, August, September, October, November, 5 months. You guys, this fireworks, since how many days now we've not rested. Fireworks going up, like if you go outside, they're very beautiful. There's this one I saw that's like stars. They're oh so beautiful. But the noise these fireworks they make. I think bonfire night is on Friday. I think Friday the 8th is bonfire night. So fireworks has just been going up. So yeah, I've relaxed my hair, washed it, dried it. I didn't dry it completely. It will dry further. Like I just dried it a bit so that it will not be dripping so much water. And yeah. So this is what we have. It relaxed very well. So I want to go cook Afang soup now. I'll try and carry you guys along. I will try. We're carrying this here for like 1 month before we make another corn roll. This oil is frozen. Frozen. Oh, my Kudos healthy living oil is frozen. That's my sister's brand. Kudos healthy living oil. Very good oil. Very good oil. So this oil is very good. Extremely good. I mean, very good growth oil. You're done. How do I look? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let me get to the kitchen and start cooking. This pimple here, I don't know, but regardless, we move. So we are going to be cooking Afang soup. So this is my dry fish, goat meat, onions, pepper, stockfish head, momo, and some chicken drumstick. So yeah. She's a baby. Come love. Help me tidy up this place. Fresh ugu leaf. And these ugu leaves.
That's so fun.
So this is my fresh. This fireworks. Can I talk? Fireworks. Can I talk? Oh dear. So this is a fresh water leaf I'll be using, and this is my okaze. I'll be using some of it, not all. Yeah. So guys, the fireworks has been going up. Like it won't let me talk. I think the rest of this video I might just not talk, because in between my talks the fireworks whoop, 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 it's just going up and up.
Harder get to know me, the better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day.
you carry your daddy's food to eat.
Mom, I'll tell you us. Are you going to stay here?
Go to the food.
Okay.